Welcome back to 12_5 Tech. Have you ever wondered how the internet actually works behind the scenes? Today, we're diving deep into the fundamental protocols that power everything you do online. From the moment you type a web address to streaming your favorite video, multiple invisible systems work together seamlessly. Let's start with IP, Internet Protocol. Think of IP as the addressing system of the internet. Every device connected online has a unique IP address, just like your home has a street address. When data travels across the internet, it's broken into small packets, each labeled with source and destination IP addresses. IP was originally designed in 1981 for military communications that could survive network failures, which is why today's internet has no single point of control. However, IP by itself is unreliable. It doesn't guarantee packets arrive in order or even arrive at all. This is where TCP and UDP come in. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, adds reliability on top of IP. It establishes a connection before sending data, numbers every packet, and confirms receipt. If a packet goes missing, TCP automatically resends it. That makes TCP perfect for web browsing, email, and file transfers where accuracy matters. On the other hand, UDP, User Datagram Protocol, sacrifices reliability for speed. It sends data without confirmation, making it ideal for video streaming, online gaming, and voice calls where a small amount of data loss is better than delay. Next, let's talk about DNS, the Domain Name System. DNS acts like the internet's phonebook, translating human-friendly domain names like youtube.com into IP addresses that computers understand. When you enter a website address, DNS servers work behind the scenes to find the correct IP address, often in under 50 milliseconds. DNS typically uses UDP for speed, though it can switch to TCP for larger responses. For web communication, we have HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the language your browser uses to request web pages from servers. It uses simple commands like GET to retrieve data and POST to send information. HTTPS adds a critical security layer through TLS encryption, protecting your passwords, credit card numbers, and personal data from interception. Today, over 85% of web traffic uses HTTPS, and it's essential for any website handling user information. For specialized applications, we have MQTT and WebSocket. MQTT is designed for Internet of Things devices with limited power and bandwidth. It uses a publish-subscribe model where devices send messages to a central broker, making it perfect for smart home devices and industrial sensors. WebSocket enables real-time, two-way communication between browsers and servers, powering live chat applications, online trading platforms, and collaborative tools like Google Docs. Understanding these protocols helps you appreciate the sophisticated infrastructure supporting our digital lives. Each protocol serves a specific purpose, balancing trade-offs between speed, reliability, and security. Whether you're a developer, tech enthusiast, or just curious about how things work, this knowledge empowers you to make better decisions about your online activities and the technology you use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 12_5 Tech